Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the travel card in the ATM Milano application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the travel cards button, and then click on the add the card button at the bottom of the page. So for that you need to provide your identification number, the card serial number, and then the codice fiscal, and then just click on the add button and the card will be here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.